Let me show y'all how to make some quick and easy bread. Now, this is the easiest bread that you can make using a bread maker. And this is bread that won't go bad in like 5 months. Is y'all bread lasting these days? Because if it is, there's something wrong. But back to the bread. So this bread is going to take water, milk, butter, flour, some yeast. You need some yeast. Quick or just regular active yeast, doesn't matter, but you need some active yeast. Now the honey that I am adding is completely optional. You do not have to add the honey if you don't want to. Optional. But I'm making the honey bread. I want the honey butter flavor. I'm using a bread maker that I purchased, and I have to use the no method because again I don't have quick yeast. But that's okay because I got other stuff to do anyway. And then I'm only making a small portion because we are just using the bread for today because it doesn't have all those preservatives and ingredients. It will go bad fast. But I'm cool with it because making this bread has no kneading, no folding, or any of that. Like you just put all the ingredients into the pan and then let it cook in the bread maker and voila. I'm adding butter because I like bread and butter. I don't eat it often. My cholesterol is fine, but you do not have to add butter afterwards. It's just my choice. But I can say that the honey butter was like super duper delicious. I probably should have added honey on it afterwards too while it was still hot just to let it marinate. Using the bread knife was my absolute favorite part of cutting this bread because it cut it so soft, it is so spongy, and it's just so good overall. And my niece and my daughter said that I did absolutely amazing. They said the bread was absolutely delicious and it was the best that they ever had. Y'all, I'll take that. But let me know how y'all make y'all bread and I'll see y'all later.